afternoon, evening. Please sure to like, subscribe this video. This is a video of a new bot alert here on YouTube. His name's Call. As you can see, I'm gonna just take you through. He has no videos. He's been commenting on a lot of people's videos and disliking. First this playlist, and this is, I don't know how is he getting subscribed to my, when I didn't subscribe to him. So if you look at this, unsubscribe. I don't know how he's linking yourself to my channel, but up and running since 2007. Looks like it's a stolen account. He has a Discord I have yet to see, but this is a bot that's been going around YouTube commenting on commenting on my son's channel, and the kicker is no videos. So what I done is gone here, block user, report user, spam, scam, fraud. It depends on, I've done like scams, fraud, and I keep reporting this guy. This way, because he's been, and I just basically been putting stairs. And of course, I got my monitor in the way right now. I put bot account and been reporting him to YouTube, but, and I have to go back, but this is the bot account, 6 videos, but he has no videos. So stay vigilant, YouTube, and make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you.